In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Walmart Plus. If you've been thinking about how to make your shopping experience more convenient, you're in the right place. Let's get started with guiding you through the subscription process for Walmart Plus. First, let's understand that Walmart Plus is a paid membership designed to help you save both time and money. It's packed with benefits that enhance your shopping experience both in-store and online. With that in mind, it's best to be prepared with a Walmart.com account and the Walmart app. These tools are essential to access the array of savings and benefits that come with the membership. To begin, navigate to the Walmart Plus page using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the official Walmart website to ensure a secure and smooth experience. Once there, the next step requires you to log into your Walmart.com account. You can do this by visiting the login page and entering your phone number or email. If you've previously created an account, simply enter these details and click on Continue. This will direct you to your account dashboard, where you can make further progress. For those of you who haven't already set up a Walmart account, don't worry, it's easy. You'll find an option to create a new account on the page. Follow the on-screen instructions to make your account quickly, which will then allow you to proceed with the subscription process. Once logged in, you'll find the section to register for Walmart Plus plans. At this point, Walmart offers a fantastic 30-day free trial. This trial is an excellent opportunity to explore the membership benefits without any initial commitment. You'll want to take advantage of this trial period to see how the service fits into your shopping routine. After the trial period ends, you must choose between a monthly or annual payment plan to continue enjoying Walmart Plus. Evaluate your preferences and shopping habits to decide which plan better suits your needs. It's also worth noting that often the annual plan might offer some savings compared to the monthly plan, so be sure to consider that when making your decision. And there you have it. You're ready to enjoy all the benefits Walmart Plus has to offer, from free delivery to exclusive discounts and beyond. Hopefully, this guide has made the subscription process clear and straightforward. Make sure to explore all the features during your free trial to make the most out of your membership. Happy shopping!